In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create online voting form in Google Forms. We'll build a simple, clear ballot that people can complete in just a few clicks, and you'll have results organized in one place. First, start a new form. Open Google Forms in your browser and click the blank form with the plus sign. This gives you a clean slate so you can set up the ballot exactly the way you want. Next, title the ballot. Click on Untitled Form at the top left and give your poll a clear name, like Election Ballot. A descriptive title helps voters feel confident they're in the right place. Under the title, you can also add a short description to explain what this vote is for or when it closes. So expectations are set from the start. Now, add your voting options. Click where it says Untitled Question to begin. If voters should pick only one candidate, use the multiple choice question type. Enter your candidate names as options, one per line, and keep names consistent and correctly spelled. If a race allows voters to choose more than one candidate, switch the question type to checkboxes. This lets people select multiple options. It's helpful to include a brief instruction in the question text, such as select up to 2, so voters understand the rules. If you want voters to rank candidates, choose the multiple choice grid question type. Put your candidates in the rows, one per line, and set your columns as the ranks, like first, second, and third. This layout makes it easy for voters to compare choices and indicate preference order. Keep the number of ranks consistent with how many preferences you want, and label them clearly so here is no confusion. As you build each question, make sure every one is required. Toggle on the required option at the bottom right of the question. This ensures voters can't skip a race by accident and your results stay complete. Don't forget to do this for the grid ranking question as well, so each row receives a response. That's it. You've started a new form titled your ballot. Added single choice, multiple choice, or ranking options as needed, and made each question required. Keep your wording clear, avoid abbreviations that could be misunderstood, and double-check spellings and instructions. A clean ballot leads to clean results. Thanks for watching.